Class 12th. Subject: Geography. Chapter 6. Economic Geography, Manufacturing Industries. Part 3. Answer the following questions in 10 to 12 sentences. Question A. Which non-geographical factors are functional for the localization of an industry? Answer: to establish an industry, natural resources alone are not sufficient. Non-geographical factors are also crucial. The first factor is capital, as heavy investment is required for machinery and buildings. Government policies also have a major impact. Industries tend to be established quickly in areas with tax exemptions and subsidies. Banking and insurance facilities provide financial security to entrepreneurs. Efficient management and technical expertise are essential for the success of an industry. Furthermore, proximity to the market helps in selling finished goods quickly. Political stability and a peaceful environment also attract investors. Finally, historical factors are important, as many cities attract new industries because they are already established industrial centers. Question B. Acquaint yourself with the origin of the iron and steel industry in India and the factors necessary for its establishment. Answer: the history of the iron and steel industry in India is quite old. It began in 1874 with the Bengal Iron Works in Kalti, West Bengal. The biggest revolution came in 1907 when Jamshedji Tata established TISCO in Sakchi, now Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Subsequently, the Indian Iron and Steel Company, ISCO, was set up at Burnpur in 1918. After independence, large plants were established in Bhilai, Rourkela and Durgapur with foreign collaboration under 5-year plans. Later, plants were also set up in Bokaro and Visakhapatnam. India's Ministry of Steel controls the production and development of iron and steel. Today, India is a major steel-producing country in the world. Question C. Tell us about the difficulties faced by the cotton textile industry in India and their solutions. Answer: A. Problems of the cotton textile industry. 1. Long staple cotton is grown in India, although it is not considered to be of the best quality at the international level. 2. Factories are old and productivity is low. There is a need to replace old machinery, but new machinery is very expensive, causing this industry to lag behind instead of developing. 3. The cotton textile industry has to face competition from synthetic fibers, polyester. 3. India has to compete in the international market with Bangladesh, China, Japan and England, whose raw materials are better than Indian raw materials, making their production superior in many respects. B. Solutions to the problems. 4. There is a need to introduce machinery with new technology. 5. There is a need to provide loans at low interest rates to modernize the industry. Continuous supply of raw materials, electricity and labor should be ensured. 6. It is very important to promote industrial production to keep the prices of finished goods low. Question D. What is Punjab's contribution to India's sugar industry and what problems is the industry facing as a whole? Answer: Contribution of Punjab. Punjab holds an important place in India's sugar production. There are 24 cooperative and private sector mills working here. These mills are located in Ajnala, Batla, Bhogpur, Fazilka, Fagwara, Gurdaspur, Morinda, Nakodar, Nawanshahar, Faridkot, Taran, Jagrao and Budlada. Problems: low sugarcane yield, decline in the selling price of sugarcane, old machinery in mills, delay in payment to farmers for sugarcane, and increased costs due to low sugar production are the major problems of the sugarcane industry. Question E. Acquaint yourself with India's industrial corridors and write a note on any one corridor. Answer: Industrial corridor. An industrial corridor refers to a geographical area in which every possible infrastructure is provided for the development of industries. This provides significant encouragement to industrial development. Basic needs are met in one place. Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, spread across 7 states of the country. This planned industrial corridor is 1,500 kilometers long, from the country's capital Delhi to the economic capital Mumbai. It includes 24 industrial areas, 8 smart cities, 2 airports, 5 power generation centers, and excellent transport arrangements. Question F. Write a detailed note on tertiary sector activities in India's economy. Answer: This sector does not produce goods directly but provides services. It includes services like banking, education, health, insurance, transport, IT, entertainment, telecommunications, tourism, waste management, real estate, accounting services, and legal advice. The service sector is a key driver of India's economic growth. In India, the service sector constitutes a large part of the national and state income and economy, which aids the country in trade, foreign direct investment, and employment growth. This sector depends on many domestic and foreign factors. Question G. Write a note on India's petrochemical industry. Answer. India's petrochemical industry ranks third in the world. In this industry, India manufactures 10% of the world's medicines. In terms of drug prices and expenditure, India ranks 13th in the world. India exports medicines to many countries of the world. Several countries, including the USA, Europe, Japan, and Australia, are buyers of Indian medicines. India is the largest producer of generic medicines it manufactures, trading 20% of the world's generic medicines. By the year 2024, this business in India has grown to $42 billion. There are 5 major government centers and 5 public centers for manufacturing medicines here. Indian Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited is the largest medicine manufacturing company. Apart from this, Hindustan Antibiotics Limited and Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals are other leading companies.